Simba mo Biafra, Simba
IPOB.
One family.
IPOB.
One family.
One big family.
IPOB.
I'm very happy.
This is the local
Because
government
the
coordinator
most important thing.
of Ezan North local government area, Abakaliki province, addressing the public.
My brother, before I body why
to this event, the 9th day of July 2020.
As in many calibers of people in different ways. But our leader, Imelo Jukungu, by after by Tiko Bembedo Chigero Posito and Kuyobla to go Juko, longer being with Mazuko Juku, bomber better. Like an idea Afra before any other thing. Mtamadum along with another person is stronger than Ojuku. So, but everything is all about ideology. Now, Nnamdi Kanu Batar, low broadcast about restoration of Biafra. So, therefore, the combat in Nigeria were may arrest. We don't go see when the referendum. Loblania referendum. Obole pass a referendum, which means the election, and the Goblata passed the way you call it not Mbondako to from where out. Get to Nigeria. The zoo refused the referendum. But our leader, Mazin Nnamdi Kanu, Madatle Ekewaranya, Kishkama, and Yemeg Chile, Kishkama, and Yemeg of which Obrul in Nigeria, with a lot of referendum, and we came again at wrong HLSU. So, but Badalon has God's own saint that lay Nigeria, Tanwada Wakweta like that in look. So that law they made desensitization to people. Kwamata, even a web. Makelo and Tama Wambo. Now, Ajimbo, the Ajijo, the mutual limit matter. Le Ekiranyag.
This is a live coverage of our event today, Thursday, 9th July 2020, here in Ezan North local government, Abakaliki province of Biafra. On the stage is the local government coordinator in the person of Mazi Nnamdi addressing the family members of IPOB on issues of importance.
Why? Because they go take a matured. Now, as okay, this is the way. Because IPOB, like fightable unity and truthful within ourselves. Even Tana being the oath and you for Tana Bobo it take the oath. Equator Eli were member of IPOB. There is no way Molano didn't announce that sorry. Oberobromo Limenyash. Le Coblebe Cab the highest place Anush. Obra Lomana cannot fear you. Eno Munshi Muho Lishu Boj. Take up a monorogo, Emoho, Low Ufi, more you and the irritar. And they want to give me again as again the situation I know, Ike. La who want own lenya. Oh yabo, love yourself as you love your neighbor as you love yourself. Everyone know lenya. Ojo the king don't get you when only an ejich. La boy the goblin in the chebo. Or do one no lemma. Just like any one of our member. They register a unit or to quite take a oath. I am Bronan. Unfortunately, in Pokuma a cop. Mtama lo shade their bedroom. Mlenya. Sumba, I shouldn't work again. That Babrik Mulaki. I kill again. Mtobor. Mlufu Musumba. Like Onyen or Bahanduka so lonely. Like Onyen or Bashadado. Rumoko Brick na. They get shop, they call the Nod. I turn out a shop like God. They not like Unqua God. The man now, Quajermo, a give work there, Dore. But remember that what a woman do go, my personal person. Oberobrumo, on your way. Let up, or less Monia some more Yoruba. More Latin will time and all. But Obra no Blebu. Ego, Cross River, Calabar them, you will lobble. Ego his you will you will be a matter at Angelegation from the Israel origin. So that is why they medicine time wake. What on wine, what on your amble. ọtọ le again no ọ bụrụ le kpọfuzie isi dabule mgbere sile otokodi le igwe na nefuru beno bụ beno le gwute ngwede iwo bụ otogbukwa nta you just be like Moses which Chineke sịrị ya Moses mere mistake whereby he fell instruction Chineke nọrọ Chineke gere ka said that like because of ime wari ihe meta achọ it ime ọtọ against him we be marry and because of it le ekwu that promised land but it mere gete ba hodle ime inwekwa ike nọ ndụ gị na ọdụ mega emegichi wele bi wa nye eme but on that day of echinta onye obele because enwe a day of account labia all the same iwu na igide ọnụ futara onwe obi wegile etu IPOB
one family
so ime nke ọma ichiketi image duga eshe goftara ya lekon ge male bụ God's own saint li mega na le ọnụ bịa na etobu tekobule megekwa mo esumo liti medu ma bịa esumo le iti medu IPOB because of etegu mudenwa matter that le were leader so that let Biafra bụ kingdom of God on earth ala ndụ hụrụ Chineke le nya emuche Chineke la achọtọ maka ndị jomme iwu merili igbanweriri otherwise the same alone ano anyị vofiele Chineke on ta ha kwate no dị because ala ebe meruwa iwu achọta bikwu emete mechita ala atọdege Chineke chọrọ IPOB
one family
dodurunu
one family. That was the local government coordinator of Ezana local government, Abakaliki province of Biafra. One family.
Now I believe you have all understood.